Welcome to Sergio Creativity.
Finnish Verb Type 2, the da-de group. Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to handle the second group of Finnish verbs. These are the verbs that end in a beautiful da or de sound. In the Michael Thomas method, we don't memorize. We look at the engine of the word and see how to plug in our personal hooks. Relax. If you need a moment to think, just hit the pause button. Part 1. Finding the stem. Teacher, let's start with the verb to drink. In Finnish, this is juoda. Say it with me. Juoda. Student, how do you say to drink? Juoda. Good. Now, to make this verb work, we need to find its stem, the naked part of the word. For type 2 verbs, we simply chop off that da. Student, if you take juoda and chop off the da, what are you left with? Juo. Exactly. Juo is our building block. Part 2. The personal hooks. Teacher, now let's add the person. The I hook in Finnish is almost always the letter N. Student, how would you say I drink? Juon. Perfect. The word for tea is teetä. How do you say I drink tea? Juon teetä. Now, the U hook for one person is the letter T. Student, how do you say you drink? Juot. Ask me, do you drink tea? Remember to add the question hook, ko, to the action word. Juotko teetä? Excellent. Now, for he or she, the word is hän. For this group of verbs, the he-she form is the easiest of all. You just use the stem exactly as it is, no extra letters. How do you say he drinks? Hän juo. She drinks coffee. Coffee is kahvia. Hän juo kahvia. Part 3. The group hooks. We is me. The we hook is memme. Student, how do you say we drink? Me juomme. You all, plural, is te. The hook is tette. Student, you all drink. Te juotte. And they is he. The hook is vat or vat. Student, they drink. He juovat. Part 4. A new action, to swim. Let's try a different verb, to swim, which is uida. Student, first find the stem, chop off the da. Ui. Good. Now tell me, I swim. Uin. We swim in the lake. In the lake is järvessä. Me uimme järvessä. Part 5. The irregular logic. There are two very common verbs that act a little differently. To do or make, which is tehdä, and to see, which is nähdä. For I, they look normal. I do is tein. I see is näin. Student, tell me I do. Tein. But for the he-she form and the they form, a K sound sneaks in. Instead of just the stem, he does becomes teke. She sees becomes nake. Student, try to say he makes food. Food is ruoka. Hän tekee ruokaa. And they see a bird. Bird is linnun. He näkevät linnun. Part 6. The no logic, negation. To say no or not, we use the not verb we learned before. En, et, ei, emme, ette, eivät. Then you just use the stem of the main verb. Student, if the stem of to drink is juo, how do you say I don't drink? En juo. We don't swim. Emme ui.
Let's do a quick-fire review. I drink. Juon. She drinks. Hän juo. We do or make, irregular. Me teemme. He sees, irregular. Hän näkee. I don't see. En näe. Brilliant. You see, Finnish Type 2 verbs are actually very friendly. No consonant changes, no KPT, just a clean chop to find the stem and then adding your personal hooks. Nähdään pian. See you soon.